Stuck on a black screen after login? Here's how to fix it. So you fire up your PC, type in your password, and nothing. Just a black screen with your mouse cursor floating around. No taskbar, no desktop, and no matter how long you wait or how many times you restart, it never changes. Don't panic. This is a common issue, and I'll walk you through the steps to get your computer back up and running. Step 1. Restart in recovery mode. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete on your keyboard. In the bottom right corner, click the power icon. Hold down Shift on your keyboard and click Restart. Your PC will reboot and bring up the Windows recovery environment. Step 2. Uninstall the latest quality update. On the recovery screen, select Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options, Uninstall Updates. You'll see two choices. Uninstall the latest feature update. Uninstall the latest quality update. Choose Uninstall latest quality update. Don't worry, this won't remove your files or apps. It simply rolls back the most recent patch that may be causing the issue. Once the process finishes, click Done, then continue to boot into Windows. In most cases, your desktop should load normally again. Step 3. Prevent it from happening again. Head over to Windows Update Settings and pause updates for a while. This can prevent the same problem from immediately reappearing. If that didn't work, if uninstalling the update didn't solve the problem, try these alternatives. Option A. Run a command in recovery mode. Boot into the recovery environment again. Select Command Prompt. Type the following command, then press Enter. SFC/Scano. This scans and repairs system files. Once it's done, close the window and restart. Option B. Use System Restore. In the recovery menu, select System Restore. Choose a restore point from before the issue started. Click Finish and let Windows restore your system. After it reboots, your PC should hopefully be back to normal. Last resort, reset your PC. If none of the above methods work, your final option is to reset your PC. This will give you a fresh installation of Windows. Make sure you check out guides or videos before doing this to avoid losing important data.